Now, the Kenya Revenue Authority has moved to the High Court to vacate an order to reopen Keroche Breweries, putting to doubt resumption of operations. The taxman says that the decision goes against the previous court orders and that the consent agreement signed by the two parties. Here's that report.
3 days ago, the High Court ordered the Kenya Revenue Authority to reopen Keroche Breweries plant in Naivasha, pending the hearing and determination of a suit pitting the two parties over settlement of tax arrears. Although the ruling was a sigh of relief following the protracted legal battles, it was a short term as KRA has moved to court, challenging the decision allowing the resumption of operations at the Nairobi-based brewer. The Kenya Revenue Authority says the High Court order contravenes the previous directives issued by another court that ordered Keroche Breweries to commit to a repayment plan to settle the tax arrears. In a statement, KRA Commissioner for Legal Services and Board Coordination, Paul Matuko, says, and I quote, "It is the authority's view that the case filed in court by Keroche and the orders sought to go contrary to previous orders issued by the same court and the consent agreements arrived and signed by the two parties." End of quote. The High Court ordered Keroche to pay an initial amount of 8 million shillings as the first installment and pay a similar amount at the end of every month until the next hearing date in September. The ruling had offered a reprieve to the hundreds of workers who are staring at job losses following the shutdown of the brewery. In May this year, KRA shut Keroche Breweries after the brewer failed to honor a repayment plan to settle 957 million shillings owed to the taxman in 24 months. Keroche Breweries officials said the payment period was too short given the current tough operating environment. Caroline Njinga for Prime Edition.